What's something people don't know about Minecraft Bedrock animations? With Actions and Stuff 1.5, you can totally transform how players and mobs move. Here's how to get it safely and fast. First, open Minecraft Bedrock on your device. Head to the Marketplace tab from the main menu. Use the search bar and type Actions and Stuff. Make sure you select version 1.5 or the latest one. If you don't have enough Minecoins, grab some from your platform's store. Buy the pack, then hit download. Next, go to Settings, scroll down to Global Resources, and find Actions and Stuff under My Packs. Click Activate. Pro tip: if textures look weird, set the resolution to 16x in the pack settings. Want it in your worlds? Edit or create a world, go to Resource Packs and activate Actions and Stuff. Having trouble? Try clearing your download cache or reinstalling the pack. Hit like for more quick guides and happy crafting.